Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala launched a fresh attack against the Modi government on the issue of Rafale deal and said that the deal for the fighter jets was struck by NSA Ajit Doval in France in 2016 at the behest of the PMO by bypassing the Indian negotiating team.
The decision and the price to buy 36 aircraft was not done by the Indian negotiation team. It was done by a person who was neither authorized by Cabinet Committee on Security, nor was he a part of the Indian negotiation team. That is Shri Ajit Doval in Paris, France on 12th and 13th January 2016.
Meanwhile, in the Supreme Court, which was hearing review petitions filed by petitioners against its verdict, the centre has said that the petitioners have violated the Secrets Act by relying on classified documents. They further said that these documents were stolen from the Defence Ministry.
Some of the recent reports by N. Ram in The Hindu, who's published details of government negotiators' objections, even aspects of how clauses were dropped in the deal. But when he tried to raise this before the judges, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal has got up and raised strong objections to this, saying that this information is not admissible. He's saying that this information is secret government information, it's part of a process, and so it cannot be relied on. He said that it was stolen, in fact, from the ministry, and that there are investigations ongoing into how this information got leaked. He has also, and this is pretty serious, said that there needs to be there may be cases under the Official Secrets Act because this has been violated by releasing and publishing information about this.
The Supreme Court has adjourned the matter, which will now be heard on 14th of March. Amid reports and claims that the Jaish-e-Mohammed camp in Balakot is still intact, the Indian Air Force has reportedly submitted a dossier to the government which claims that the 26 February strikes were indeed successful, with 80% of the bombs hitting the target. The dossier details, which are reported by some of the news agency, mention that the bombs had a special penetration warheads which cause an impact under the surface or inside structures. The government has not officially made these details public as of now. Ever been told that you shouldn't do something because it's a man's job? Well, it's time to shut the haters. This Women's Day, we bring you stories about women who are acing conventionally male-dominated jobs and are smashing stereotypes along the way.
पहले मुझे त्रिलोकपुरी की ही जानकारी थी, बट अब मैं जब बाहर निकल गई तो मैंने सीपी पूरा देखा, राजेंद्र नगर पूरा देख लिया, कभी जो मैं जानने भी नहीं सकती थी कि मैं इतनी दूर दूर डिलीवरी करने जाऊंगी।
जब कोई भी काम का रिक्वायरमेंट आता है तो लड़कों में उनके पास काफ़ी ऑप्शंस है, यू नो, बट व्हेनेवर एनीबडी नीड्स अ फीमेल रैपर, इट्स लाइक 10 सजेशंस अगर आएंगे तो उसमें से 7-8 सजेशंस मेरा ही नाम होगा।
My name is Masrat Zahra. I am a Kashmiri-based photojournalist. I have been working here from last 2 years.
Hello, New Market nature. Dada noy, Didi.
The Supreme Court reserved its order on whether to refer the Ayodhya land dispute case to court-appointed mediation. CJI Gogoi has asked all parties to submit possible names of mediators. While the Muslim group is open to mediation, the Hindu group has opposed it. Ahead of the elections, the Parliamentary Committee on IT had summoned Facebook to know what the company was doing to fight misinformation. The Parliamentary Committee has given 10 days to Facebook to come up with a response. According to a new set of data, the unemployment rate in February 2019 stood at 7.2%, which has been the highest since September 2016. The unemployment rate in February last year stood at 5.9%. For more news and updates, log on to thequint.com. You can also like, share and subscribe.